Kids Learning Zone. Marlino talks. Birds. Eagles. Eagles are some of the biggest and strongest birds in the sky. They have huge wings that help them soar way up high, and super sharp eyes to spot food from far away. Parrots. Parrots are colorful birds. They have bright feathers and they are able to mimic sounds, even human words. They love to eat fruits, seeds, and nuts. Pigeons. Pigeons are birds that you probably see every day. They often have gray or white feathers and like to live in cities and towns. Ducks. Ducks are water-loving birds. Ducks quack, and they love to swim and play in ponds, lakes, and rivers. Flamingos. Flamingos are super pink birds with long, skinny legs and necks. They often stand on one leg, which is pretty funny to see. Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers are nature's carpenters. They're famous for their strong beaks, which they use to peck at trees. Penguins. Penguins are amazing birds that live in the very cold places near the South Pole. They can't fly, but they're super swimmers. Penguins huddle together to stay warm in the icy weather. Ostriches. Ostriches are the biggest birds in the whole world. They're so tall, they can even look over fences. Even though they have wings, ostriches can't fly. Instead, they're super fast runners. They have long, strong legs. Owls. Owls are mysterious and amazing birds. They're known for their big, round eyes and their ability to fly silently at night. Owls are great hunters, using their sharp hearing to find their food in the dark. Peacocks. Peacocks are famous for their long, colorful tails. Peacocks have a funny little tuft of feathers on their heads, like a crown. They can make loud, honking noises.
Subscribe for more videos.